It is very important to sync orders between your offline and online stores, and also to keep updating new orders into a common platform for smooth inventory management. Orderhive has a feature which facilitates bulk import of orders and hence cuts down the hassle of adding orders one by one. In this video, we will see how to bulk import orders in Orderhive. Firstly, go to Orders page and click on Import option from bottom menu bar. From the options, select Import Orders. This will open a pop-up wherein you need to upload an Excel file to import products. But first, you need to download a template. This will export the template in an Excel sheet format in which you can enter the new orders that you wish to create in Orderhive in the given format only. Please make sure you don't delete any existing column or add a new one in the sheet. Enter the order details and follow the instructions mentioned in the comment box. Then save your file. Then upload this file either by drag and drop or browsing option. And click on Import to upload the file. This will take a few seconds depending on the number of orders in the sheet. You will receive a notification after the import is complete. The log file of the import can be downloaded by clicking on the notification. Log file would help you to know if the import was performed successfully for all orders or if there was any error with a corresponding reason. As the sheet gets imported successfully, all the orders will get populated on the orders page as updated in the sheet. That's all. I hope this was a useful video. If you still have any queries, chat with Orderhive experts from this chat icon at the bottom right corner. Subscribe for more videos and thanks for watching.